Silicon with Adam Savage has finally updated their website for the new year, out with the old content for Silicon Valley Comic Con 2019, in with the new content for Silicon with Adam Savage 2020. Not that the in-person event took place this year because of the coronavirus pandemic, but there were virtual events to make up for it. I'm going to review the website redesign on the front page and explain the changes. If you haven't seen my Silicon with Adam Savage videos, a link to the playlist is in the description below. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos like this. The first thing to notice in the redesign is a white background for a cleaner look. The top bar of the header has links to other parts of the website. I'm not looking at the links since they are somewhat redundant to what is on the front page. The title is Silicon with Adam Savage, and the subtitle is Maker, Science, Tech, and Pop Culture. The background image has old comic pages fan out with a gold to blue gradient. The background image may be a homage to Silicon Valley Comic Con and Big Wow Comic Press, the predecessor shows to Silicon with Adam Savage. The biggest complaint about Silicon Valley Comic Con that it was no longer about comics. It didn't help that the big comic book vendors paid $50,000 for Stan Lee to sign 400 comic books at the 2018 show. If you haven't seen my video about that scandal, a link is in the description below. The big comic book vendors weren't there, and smaller comic book vendors complain about extra fees at the 2019 show. Beneath that is a row of logos that represent the sponsors for the first workshop bundle: Animation Legends, Amazon Alexa, Monster Energy Drinks, TNT Cosplay Supply. Like many Comic Cons this year, Silicon with Adam Savage switched to virtual events, divided into three groups: maker workshops, live panels, and celebrity meet and greet. There have been 4 monthly virtual events to date: a virtual panel with Adam Savage about spacesuits and cosplay, a maker workshop with Adam Savage building a fantasy helmet, a maker workshop with Beverly Dowling with building a Baby Yoda cradle, a Mandalorian watch party with Adam Savage and Daniel Logan, who played Boba Fett as a kid in the prequel series. Below that, there are 3 large sponsorship ads: TNT Cosplay Supply, Animation Legends, Played FX Paints. If you're into making stuff, check them out. Below that is the event info for the Mandalorian watch party. That event was from last weekend. If you click through the Sign Up Now button, it will take you to the GrowTech website. The only item available is the Baby Yoda Cradle bundle from the previous workshop. Don't expect this part of the front page to be up to date until the next event announcements. The final section of the website has several different related and unrelated items. A statement from Adam Savage about his commitment to making things. If you click on the Maker Workshop button, it will refresh the front page. That should change to the GrowTech website for an upcoming workshop event. A mission statement that the founding of Silicon with Adam Savage took place in 2014. Not quite. The partnership between Steve Wozniak, Stan Lee, and the organizers took place in 2014. The announcement that Big Wow Comic Press would become Silicon Valley Comic Con happened in 2015.
Hey, Steve. Wow, it's good to see you. You're looking terrific. It's been a while. How have you been?
I'm great, Stan. Hey, you remember a few years ago we talked about doing something together? I have an idea. With the two of us, we could bring our friends in Silicon Valley their very own Comic-Con.
You mean a Silicon Valley Comic-Con? Oh man, I like that was.
I knew you would.
Silicon Valley Comic Con ran from 2016 to 2019, but with the death of Stan Lee in November 2018, the 2019 show was lackluster at best. Adam Savage, who served as a panel moderator during that time, became the new face. Below that is a link to the Silicon store and a form to sign up for the email list. What to expect from SoCon with Adam Savage in 2021?
We have the dates for Silicon 2021, and the dates are August 27th to 29th, 2021.
Will the in-person event still happen in August? My answer to that question can be found in a future video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.